Hello, first graders. Well, it is Friday, June 5th, and it is the last school day of your first grade year. So while I'm a little sad, I'm super happy we got to celebrate 180 days of first grade together, kind of. Anyways, let's look at our number grid today. So today is Friday, June 5th, and I see 2 and 1 penny. So think about how much money that is, how many that shows. Let's come down here. So today is June 5th, and it is a penny is our model. And there's 3 of them, so that means that there's 3 cents. And there's 2 on one side and 1 on the other. So we can say our equation is 2 plus 1, which equals 3. Now the question is, how many to get to 20? So I know I have 3, and I want you to take a look at yesterday's. So yesterday I needed 16 to get to 20 after 4. So using this equation, can you figure out quickly how many I need to get to 20? They're very, very similar. And I can look and say, well, if there is 1 less over here, I can put 1 more over here, and that makes 17. And I also know that if 3 plus 7 is 10, then 3 plus 17 must equal 20. All right, coming over here. Let's add a half hour. Yesterday was 2 o'clock. So if I add a half hour to my clock, notice that my hour hand is halfway in between the 2 and the 3. So that means that this is 2:30. All right. It is a decade day. So I'm going to come over here, and I need to fill in 1 last X. And if I notice, that's a 10, so I gotta color it in. Color it in, and I have 180 days of first grade. So I just wanted to show you, I need to write that still. But I already bundled because it's hard to film and bundle. So now I have a group of 10, and it can't be living in the ones place anymore. So I take this group of 10 and I move it up here. So now we have a number that has 100, that has 8 10s. And now we're back to 0 ones, which makes the number 180. So I want you to think about how many ways can you make 180. I lost my marker. There it is. And if I think about the expanded notation, I realize that I still have 100, but now I have 80, and then I have 0 ones. What else could you do? Whoops. All right, and we're gonna add 1 last quarter. So we had $6 yesterday. So if I add another 25 cents, I have $6.25. Or I have 625 cents. Have a great summer. We made it 180 days. I love you, and read and do math over the summer, please.